With my guest Teresa right here, I'm working partial highlights, but it's a little different. I'm going a little bit back to the 90s, but better. I am doing the base and then 3 foils back to back, so I'm creating a little bit more thicker highlights, chunky. And then I'm gonna color them out.
Ooh, chunky. Looking for them girls with the big old hoops.
The reason why I created those chunky lines right there is because I want more brightness towards her top. And now I'm gonna go ahead and melt it with the Demi 6A, 6N, melt it into the Demi 10PA, 10A, 10B. And I'm gonna tone the hair extensions with the same formula. So I took an older technique of chunky highlights and upgraded it and integrated it into the hand-dyed hair extensions.
Ooh, chunky. Looking for them girls